Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're on the hunt for a practical and budget friendly way to organize your home, check out these underbed storage with wheels by Beborxue. I love storing items that I don't use frequently but still need, like my crafts or small items I use for gifts. I also have a couple of bags either for traveling or the gym that I rotate with others I have, so I store them here as well. I love the fact that you can even label what you store for easy access, and the fact that they are clear allow me to see what I store just in case I forget. And it comes with practical handles on the side as well. I appreciate that the items are well protected and don't get dusty at all. And it has wheels so you don't have to carry it. It was very easy to assemble, which is a plus. It comes with everything you need and easy to follow instructions. It took me like 15 minutes to assemble this. This is also great for storing blankets, shoes, or other clothes. And that's my point of view.